The Start-Stop button on your Hyundai IONIQ 9 is easy to use. It's located on the left side of the rotary shift lever. Pressing the button without depressing the brake pedal will place the vehicle in accessory mode. The Start-Stop button will flash to let you know you're in accessory mode. In accessory mode, you can operate features such as climate and the touchscreen. And USB ports will be powered. However, you cannot drive the vehicle. To start the vehicle, press the Start-Stop button while depressing the brake pedal. The Ready indicator will illuminate on the instrument cluster, and the IONIQ pattern in the steering wheel will illuminate. You can now shift the vehicle into drive or reverse and head out on your way. You can also place the vehicle in neutral when needed, such as for a car wash. And to turn off your vehicle, simply press the Start-Stop button again. If you're using the Digital Key 2 or fingerprint authentication system, be sure to wait until authentication has been completed before attempting to start the vehicle. And if the battery in your smart key is low and the vehicle cannot detect the key, place the key in the key recognition area to start the vehicle. For more information on these features, be sure to consult your owner's manual, available at My Hyundai, or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to explore the how-to guides at the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and at My Hyundai.